Okay, you guys ready? Look at these cookies. Look at the little mouth on the inside. Okay, let's try it. I want to try it. So crunchy. So crunchy. Peanut butter. Little crunchy peanuts. Malt ball. Okay, here's what's happening. You bite into this cookie, you immediately get like creamy crunchiness. It's like creamy for a second, but then everything starts going haywire. It gets crunchy, crunchy, crunchy. So you crunch through it, and then there is this little angel that shows up, this like little golden raisin that's like, tender, like it's tender and soft and juicy next to all of this other stuff that's like crunchy and crunchy and crunchy. It's really, man, these are really good. These are really good. These are really good. Well, I probably didn't talk about a mouthful, but I hope everybody has a wonderful National Raisin Day. And remember, Raisin Day is every day. See ya.